Hey, welcome! But before we start, I have to wear this apron that my wife bought for me. Oh yeah. Hi wife. Chillin'. Okay, for tonight we are cooking red pasta sauce. I don't have any name for it, but also comment down below if you have a name for it. So let's cook. Alright. Alright, for our ingredients, first of all, liver spread. You can't get liver spread here, but yeah, you can improvise. This is from the Philippines, Remo. Diced onion, garlic, of bell pepper, 25 grams of basil leaves, cooking cream, is it fast? Oil, olive oil, with mushroom, 80 grams of mushroom, 4 pieces of sausage. If you have a better brand, comment at the comment section so I can try those good sausages. 300 grams of ground beef. May I call Miss Jonah? She said that you have to find the hasdalam beef because it's good. Thank you, Miss Jonah. Of course, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese or Parmesan cheese, if you may. Oregano. I learned years of cooking that if you wanted to make your food garlicky, you put in the garlic first, and then if you want to make your food a little bit on the sweet side, put the onion first. So in sauteing, it's up to you whether you want garlicky or a little bit on the sweet side. No need to wait until golden brown. Just pour in the onions, and later on the garlic will be brown enough. Alright, so put half of the bell pepper, half of the basil. So let's put in the beef. Hasdalam beef, don't forget. A little bit of pepper. I learned or learned, up to you, that you have to season your food before and after. So this is the before side, a little bit of salt. It's up to your taste. Okay, don't oversteer your beef because it will produce more oil. So don't steer the beef, put it aside and use this part to fry your sausages because it adds a little bit of texture if you fry your sausages. Let's put some butter. Oh, don't forget to cook your pasta on the side. So I will do it later because you know our kitchen is just small. I hope you are enjoying this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to taste your food. That is very important. So, love, taste. Oh, I forgot, friends. If you don't have tomato sauce, so we put in the liver spread, it will make our red sauce more meaty. If you don't have, just contact me. We have at home. We can share the leftovers. Joke. We have. We still have stock of liver spread, if you will. More butter, more fun. Oh yeah. Just add in the tomato sauce. Put it all in. Please recycle your, what do you call this? Container, jar, whatever it is. Up to you. Shout out to Christine. Up to you. Shout out to Stacia. Moringa. Let it simmer.
Shout out to everyone who's staying at home. Try this at home.
Shout out to my students, K3. Shout out to Miss Lily and Miss Jessie. Oh, to Mr. Tim. Hi. I also include the 3 C's, Callum and Christine. You get 2, so you better pay me for mentioning your name, Christine. Alright. Shout out to Derek, my best friend.
AJ and Andrew.
AJ and Andrew.
Jen and Oliver, hello. Irma, Chloe, Filipino community. Hello.
Stacia, Filipino. I washed my hands. I use sanitizer. This is safe. This is absolutely safe. So just shred. Do I use shred or grate?
Up to you.
Up to you, Christine. And you can enroll at Donguines School of Cooking. No, just joking.
If you have nothing to do next week.
Just bring in the ingredients and we are happy to have you. So, click like if you want me to film how to bake. We need to put more salt and pepper. Pepper, oregano, whatever that is available in your kitchen, just put it in. But make sure it makes sense, alright? That is my principle number 3. Put in something that makes sense. So, what's the example of something that makes sense. Of course, you don't want to put chocolate chips on your spaghetti or on your red sauce. So put in something that makes sense. The cream. Here it is. Well, 3/4. Shout out to grade 3 who's studying fraction. 3/4 cups of cream, or maybe more later. Taste again. Don't forget to cook your pasta on the side. So after cooking this sauce, you can immediately eat your pasta with your red sauce while it's hot. Alright, so I'll just simmer this and I'll get back to you later. Alright, thank you. Okay, we're in the last few minutes of our cooking. So we put in the mushroom. Alright. Mushroom, put in the remaining basils. Alright, and the thing that makes this special, the leftover corned beef. Simmer it for 5 minutes. Alright, and then you're good to go. Alright. Shout out to kindy teachers. So intense, yeah? You lifted the plate. Alright.
Tastes really good.
Alright.
Good
See
job,
you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye. Bye, love.